Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I'm sitting here working on some more earrings for the Faire store, and these earrings here are going to be, I think, anywhere from 6 to 8 units per case because I got so many of these beads right here left over. I can create a whole lot of earrings, and I do have a lot of the wood beads left over too, where I can create quite a bit. And then remember, I bought these pins. I think I paid like $6 for the bag, so I got them half price at $3. I don't remember if they was 5 or 6, but anyway, I'm gonna say 6. And then I paid $3 for them, so I got 100 uh, wire pins. So that gives me 50 earrings, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and try these. I really don't like them. When I made the first pair, I didn't like it. I'm just spoiled when it comes to the thicker wire, which is the 18 gauge wire. And this is an earring that I made with the 18 gauge. It just looks richer to me. It's prettier, it's brighter, the quality is better. And then when I look at these, they're okay. They're okay, but I could see the thinness, of the wire and everything. But they'll work because that way too, I can kind of knock the price down $1 or 2 and sell them more of them in a case. So I'm gonna try them and I'm gonna see how they work out. And if it works out, you know what? I'll go get some more of the wire pins that are on sale, or I'll find them, where I get even more of them, for a lesser price. And then, of course, I use my little ear wires. And that's what I'm working on now. Just pumping up the Faire store. Got to take more pictures and then upload more stuff on there. A couple of people were asking me. I got emails about Faire. A lot of good questions about the Faire website, and people are learning that you do have to have a website. You do have to have a website. You do not have to have a sophisticated multi-page website in order to be able to sell on Faire. You just have to have a website, and you can have a one-page website. A one page website is literally where all your product is on that one page, right? Your contact information and everything is just like right there on the home page. You don't have to click into anywhere, nothing. Everything is like right there. And it's really simple, really easy to do. You have to have really nice pictures. You got to have your title. You got to have your description. And you can do that through Wix. You can do it through Wix or more some other people using like Shopify and some other places, and those are all really, really, really good places too. But if you're a beginner and you only need to showcase your product because you're trying to sell or wanting to sell on a wholesale platform, you just need a one page, just a one page website. And people have asked me, do I create those for people? I haven't done that, but I can do it. And just keep in mind, if I do it, there will be a charge for it. So if you are interested or you're still interested, you can email me at jewelrybybdk@gmail.com. You would have to provide your own pictures, really nice, clear pictures, titles and descriptions, and it would just be like a one page. All your contact information, just and whatever your prices of your product is. And it's really simple to do. Was it Keisha? I think Keisha was asking me about if I was selling on Amazon. I don't sell my jewelry on Amazon. I only sell journals on Amazon. I got about 300 journals that I sell on Amazon. So that's the only thing I sell on Amazon. They do have, I was doing some research earlier today. Uh, is it called Black Black Owners Amazon.com, or but it's all black owners, it's all black folk who have businesses who sell their products on Amazon. But you know what? I'll get the information and I will put it in the Facebook group, Jewelry by BDK Creators Zone. So I'll put the information over there. So if anybody is interested, you can read up on it. Not only that, though, if you're part of the group, if you go up to files, click on files, boom, it'll open up, and we have a lot of good information up in there about business, about wholesale, about a lot of other places where you can sell wholesale online. A lot of good information up in there. So you're welcome to go in and check that stuff out too. Then we got the contest that's going to come up. And not only that though, the people in the group are very they're very encouraging, they're very inspiring, they're very positive. And I love that about them. And anytime we get like new members, they're always so welcoming. And see, that's my whole vibe. My whole vibe, even in real life, is if you are not going to be the best type of person that you can be, stay away from me, because I don't live my life like that. God has given us life. He has given us breath. He has given us abilities. He has given us he has given us talents, right? So shine on somebody. Shine on somebody. Be nice. Be a vibe. Be good people for people. That would make others want to be even better people. You know what I'm saying? It's like, no, let's just make this happen. Be as positive as we can be and be the best people that we can be. Are we 100% positive all the time? Absolutely not. I would be lying to you if I said that, because we all have our days. And I was having a conversation with my sister, and well, she's like a sister too, because she's my sister's sister-in-law. So we give out food every Saturday at my sister's church, right? So we were sitting there just kind of talking about a couple people that we know, not talking about, but having conversation about a couple people that we know, their conditions that they're in. And we said, yeah, but check out what type of people that they are. They rude, they nasty, they disrespectful, they talk bad about people and all that kind of stuff. And then you see it, they're paying for those things with their health. And when that stuff come back around, it's petty. Karma is petty. Payback is petty, right? And we was just like, if you don't have nothing good to say, if you can't be positive, and if you can't encourage people, and if they're not encourageable, if they're not people who would absorb positivity, then separate yourself. Cast not your pearl among swine. You don't have to be a part of that environment. And there are three type of emotions that click people in. And think about this. There are three type of emotions that click people in, and they're all wasteful, and they can all lead to transgressions of God's laws. That's why we have to operate on a deeper level, on a spiritual level, intellectually, by way of the Holy Spirit. There are three. One is arousal, and we all know what arousal does. The second one is fear, and we all know what fear does. And the third is curiosity. And if you think about that there are cliques. Think about cliques all around the world, jobs, churches, everywhere. There are cliques. And think about the three emotions: arousal, fear, curiosity, or that create cliques, right? And if you are not a part of any one of those, which one are you a part of? I would hope the intellectual, by way of the Holy Spirit, right? Because all three, arousal, fear, curiosity, will all breed sin. Think about it. Because being fearful will make you do something that you're not even supposed to be doing. Arousal definitely is going to lead to something physical in the body, with the body. And then curiosity. Curiosity got people running around here losing homes and marriages and all kind of stuff, because they're curious about certain things that then got them all caught up in stuff, right? So we know all three is wasteful and can lead to transgressions of God's laws, right? But anyway, y'all didn't come here for a sermon, but I give you one. I want to thank all the new subscribers too for hanging out with us and just believing that the channel has something to offer you, and a sense of positivity, and maybe jewelry inspiration or designs or something like that. And you're invited to join us in the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone. On Facebook, we got a contest coming up. There's files over there with all type of good information over there that you can download. A lot of inspiration, a lot of encouragement, a lot of good stuff over there. I love them ladies. I love them ladies. I love them ladies. I love them ladies. And I can't say that enough. If we were able to just all meet up, plan a trip, and we can just all meet up somewhere at one place, my God, how wonderful that would be. How wonderful that would be, right? But right now, in this moment, at this time, I want to thank you for being who you are. I want to thank you for your support. I want to thank you for your encouragement. And I want to thank you just for being you. Just for being you. Just for being you. And I thank God for you every single day. And guess what, family? We'll talk soon.